Mm-hmm.
Uh, 7 maybe, I don't know.
Question 7. Okay, question 7. The factorize the this. You're talking about this one, right?
Yeah.
Okay, good. So you want to go through this. Okay, factorize a cube minus a completely. Okay, so I'm going to do it here. So a cube minus a. So what is common? Okay, what's common? All right. I think you can actually do this, right? By the way, you have to split a into a times 1. Okay.
Yeah.
Do you think you can do this like without the 1? Just do this. Can you do this? Can you move your cursor away? Do you think you can do this? Just a alone, just a here only. Can or cannot?
No,
Why not?
because you need to square the A.
No, I'm talking about this one.
You need to put the 1.
Yeah, why must put the 1 also?
Because you need something at the back.
Okay, so that okay, not that you need something at the back. You are doing the splitting here, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so for the a here, if let's say you don't have the 1, you are not splitting the a, you are copying down the a in this case. Can you see you are copying down the a only?
Yeah.
You are not splitting the a at all. So we need to split to individual elements, right?
Yeah.
So the key is you need to split. So if you just write a as a, then you're not splitting. Are you clear?
Yeah.
So that's why you need to. Can you help me fill up what you need to do so that you can participate as well? Yes. So in a way, by doing this, you split to a times 1, and then after that, I think you can clearly see that a is common, right? Can you see a is common?
Yeah.
So a is common, so you just get it out. So the a is gone. So you're left with a squared minus 1, right?
Mm.
Am I right or not?
Yeah.
Okay, so what do you think for this one?
You need to do the you need to change the 1 to a
Yeah.
square.
Yes. Why?
Because you need everything to be square, then you can use the bracket A minus.
Yeah, exactly. Can I think your fan is blowing directly at you. That's why your microphone pick up a lot of noise from your fan. Maybe you can just uh, probably um, turn your fan not direct to your mic so that there won't be so much noise from your fan.
Okay.
Yeah, maybe you can point the fan at your leg or something, but not directly to the mic.
Yeah, okay.
Okay, welcome back. And unmute yourself first. All right. Okay, good. So yes, you have to square a. I mean a is over here already a square, and then the 1 you need to put the square on top because 1 is equal to 1 square, right?
Yeah.
That's why you can put a square here. Okay. So once you get a square minus 1 square, you can use the formula which is a minus 1 and then a plus 1, right?
Yeah.
So this is the final answer after factorize this whole thing. All right. Okay.
Yeah.
Then if you look at this without using a calculator, so basically you just get this. you just copy the a cubed minus a, then 3a plus 1, then times 1a minus 1. So what you need to do next, you just change your this a cubed minus a into which format?
The a bracket a minus 1.
This format, right?
Yeah.
Okay, good. So I just use the eraser here, just delete this and then replace it with here. Okay, so it's a minus 1, a plus 1. Okay, so now it's back to our what's the approach? What do we call it?
Cancellation.
Cancellation, yes. So I see a can you cancel accordingly? Use a blue, yes. Okay, a plus 1. Okay. Wait. You need to be consistent. If your cancellation is from right to left, you need to be from right to left. I mean, you can't do this and then this or this. If you decide this way, it has to be this way. Not sometimes like this, sometimes like this. Can you be more consistent?
Okay.
Choose one direction and then just stick with that direction. Alright, so this one is gone. Next. Okay, very good. So in a way, if you use if you can use the eraser, so basically this one is gone. This one is gone. This one is gone also, right? So you are left with
a over 3 times 1.
which is a over 3, right?
Yeah.
And now they say what? They say a is equal to 999, right? Can you see here?
Yeah.
Can you see my cursor or not?
Yes.
Okay, good. So a is 999, so I replace my a with 999, which is this one. I replace it with 999. So you can actually use this. So the answer is 333. Okay?
Yeah.
When they say without using a calculator, over here without using the calculator, so you cannot use a calculator. You must show this long division method. Are you clear?
Okay.
Okay? Okay?
Yeah.
So done. So question 8. Where did you do your question 8?
Question 8.
这个
I think at the side.
有咩？哪里
Yeah.
Can you listen? This one is 7
Oh, 8. 8 is on top.
Okay. So next time you need to make it user friendly also. Otherwise, it's one is here, then the other one is there. Then it's very hard for people to navigate. Okay, so you're here, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so you need to do it one by one. So basically, you do this, factorize, right? Okay, let me see. Okay, your this factorization, right? Your this. Okay, all your this I consider them draft. Okay, so your draft, right? You need to do it using pen. You need to be more what do I? Okay, you can't just like write it anywhere you want. You know, it's hard for people to see your working. You know, can you okay, if that means your presentation is not right, your presentation is very confusing. So if I were to do this question, okay, how I will do it is this. Okay, let me just copy the question down. I will show you the right way to present the answer in a more in a clearer manner. Yours is very confusing, and if you make life hard for the marker, then the marker will make life hard for you by penalizing you. Okay, so what I will do is I will do this. Okay, I will write down this term first. Okay, I will write down this term, and then I will just do your factorization. Can you stop moving your cursor? Okay, then I will just do this. Okay, and then I will just continue to do this. Then I will get so this is minus x. then this is minus 3x. So this one will give me minus 4x. Okay, good, correct. So therefore this will be 3x minus 1, because this one, right? And then x minus 1. Okay?
Yeah.
So then of course this is my first step. Okay, then I will continue to do it like up down, you know. I mean I need to use the entire page by all means. You understand me or not?
Yeah.
Okay, so you don't try to squeeze everything together. Then I'm going to do the x squared minus y squared. Okay, then after that this is x plus y. Since everything is square already, I can use the formula, right?
Yeah.
So correct. But like I say, your arrangement of your presentation is not arranged nicely. Okay, then I continue to do this. So I'm done with this, and then I continue to do that 6x plus 6y. Then I take out the I need to do the split, right?
Yeah.
Then I see that 6 is common, so x plus y. Okay, and then the 3x minus 1 cannot. Okay, that's it. So what I will do is, so now you need to, I can actually move this. Can you see I'm moving this? So I have more space below here.
Yeah.
So this one is gone, so it's replaced by this, and this one is gone, it's replaced by this. Are you following now?
Yeah.
The times I can use a dot, so this one is gone, replaced by this. Then finally, can you help me out with the cancellation? Okay, let me just move it. Can you move your cursor? Yeah, yes. Wait. You need to be consistent, okay? Okay, good. Okay, so in a way you can use I can use the eraser. This is gone. This is gone. This is gone, and this is gone. Right? So what is left? Above, 6 x minus 1. Below, x minus y. That's the answer. Okay?
Yeah.
Okay, so that's the answer. Okay, good. Next. Go back to the question. Simplify. Done already. Part A done already. It says x and y are two consecutive integers, so expressed in terms of x only. So we talked about this last time, right?
Yeah.
But anyway, the most important part is the part A lah. So x and y is so that means consecutive means y minus 1. Okay, x equal to y minus 1.
Yeah.
Because consecutive number, you know what's the meaning of consecutive?
Next to
each other. Yes. So that means if x is x, right, or the other one, y equals to x plus 1. That's another way to look at it. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, so after that, okay, let me just erase this. So you can just replace your y with this, with a bracket, x plus 1. So this is x minus x plus 1. So you continue, open the bracket below, x minus x minus plus 1 minus 1. So this is gone, so you're left with minus 1 below. Okay, so use your calculator here, you get minus 6. So the answer is this. Okay? Alright.
Yeah.
Okay, good. Then go back to the question. Okay, which other question? Let me see. This one you never continue. This one here. Let me zoom in. Can you see I zoom in already?
Yeah.
This one, you have 5a, b plus 3c, minus 5m, b minus 3c. You never continue.
Not continue because the plus minus.
So over here is plus, over is minus, right?
Yeah.
Do you know that you can actually change the sign by having a minus in front? So So you just change the minus to plus. So this is 5m, and then over here will become what? It cannot leh. I think you make a mistake leh. I think somehow you make a mistake for this question already. Let's continue. Let's look at it closely. Okay, let me see how you do it. Did you copy the question correctly or not? Let me see. Minus 5mb minus 15mc. Okay, good. Let me see. Okay, the left part is correct. Okay, we do it step by step. The next one is you take out minus 5, right?
Yeah.
So you take out minus 5. Okay, see I think you make a mistake. You take out minus 5, then you get what? mb, right?
Yeah.
Okay, good. This one is good. Then this one you take out minus 5, right? Then you have 3, then you have m, then you have c, right?
Yeah.
Okay, good. So you need to look closely in this case. Look closely. So let me just write clearly. So your this minus 5 here, right, already take care of the minus sign here. So what I'm trying to see is you have the minus 5 common, you have the m common, you have the m common. So what is left?
The b.
So you have the minus 5m taken out, right? So
Yeah.
if you use a calculator, you use a eraser, so you just erase the minus 5m, minus 5m. So can you see that you have b plus 3c left?
Yeah.
The reason why, because just now the minus 5 here, right? Okay, let me go back to the let me just go back. Just now you take out, do you know that your minus 5 here, you already take care of the minus sign here?
Yeah.
Yeah. So therefore if you take out the minus 5m, right? Minus 5m, you left with b. Over here is nothing already. Nothing means plus 3c. That's why you should get minus. So basically over here you should get plus. So let me zoom in a little bit so that I can. This one is with plus. Because your minus 5 already take care of the minus sign already. Are you clear?
Yeah.
So therefore you are left with 3c. Okay?
Yeah.
So here is left with b. Okay or not?
Yeah.
So therefore this is plus. Okay? Then after that, of course, you can see that this and this is common, right?
Yeah.
Then you take out. So continue to take out 5a minus 5m. B plus 3c, right? Okay? But can you see that the 5 is common here or not? Can you see the 5 is common?
Yeah.
So you need to continue. Take out the 5. Left with a minus m. Then here is just copy down. So this is the final answer. Are you clear?
Yeah.
Are you clear or not?
Yeah.
So you can't stop here. You have to take out the 5 further. Okay? Then for the question below, okay, good. Okay, next. Let me zoom up. Hey, this one. Hey, this one is correct. Then this one correct. Actually, I prefer to do it this way. Okay, even though your answer is correct, but I prefer to do it this way. Do you remember the other way to do this? The HCF method.
Yeah.
So what is common? I see a y, so it's minus 40a, 56, then minus 24 bc. Then continue, right? If I put a 8, then minus 5a, this is minus 7, minus 3 bc. And then that's it. So common is this 8y. Or you can take out the minus one or minus also. You can take out the minus one, is plus, plus, plus. Okay, so minus 8y is common, then 5a, 7, and 3bc. Okay, correct. Okay, so both methods can help you solve the question. Clear?
Yeah.
Okay, good. Next, this one also correct. Yeah. So over here, can you see that the position is actually different? This one.
Yeah.
So if the position is different, like you can take out, you can plus become minus. I think you use the plus become minus technique, right? Then you switch the position, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. That's why you end up with this answer. Okay, good. Next. 这个good. This one is good. Once you see x squared minus 9, right, you need to look for this kind of, okay, square everything, then continue to solve it using the formula. Okay?
Okay.
This one, correct. Okay, so this page one pretty well. Yep, you have done pretty well. Okay, next. Okay, let's go to let me just zoom up. Okay, let's go to page 2. Do you see page 2? Can you see page 2 now? Can or cannot? And I'm trying to erase. Huh? Can you see here? Page 2? Or it take a while to load on your side? Can you see the question 22? Construction question?
Wait, let me accept first.
Can see or not? Can or cannot?
No, it's still the same.
I think you need to click on it and then can or cannot? Cannot. Cannot.
Yeah,
Never mind.
okay.
Can or cannot now?
Yeah, now okay.
Okay, it take a while to load lah. Okay, so let's not do 22 first. Let's look at question 1 here first. Okay, so you flip it. Okay, you flip it. Okay, let me just zoom in. Can you stop moving your cursor? Can or not? Just so if we are talking about question 1, then your cursor should be next to question 1 now. Okay, good. So you do it here, right? So you flip it. Okay, flip it first. Don't do anything. Then you just do the cancellation, right?
Yeah.
So I see that you cancel. Okay. Then okay. Why? How come your this looks so ugly to me one? Okay. Can you do everything at one go or not? Not like halfway or not. So let's say if you split to 5 triple x, 7 triple y, and then 7 4y, and then this. Can you just do it at one go? What you understand what I mean or not?
Yeah.
How come you do it half? So let's say you do the 5. Okay. Let's say you do the half 5x. I think you are making life very hard for yourself. Okay, you're splitting this. Can you stop moving your cursor? I'm quite distracted by your cursor, by the way. Okay, so once you fix your cursor, just put it there. Can or not? Done?
Yeah.
Okay, good. So your this is correct. Your this step is correct. But when it comes to cancellation, I'm not happy. Do you know why I'm not happy? Why don't you do it like just at one go? I still see opportunity to cancel the double y. Just cancel the double y. Okay? Then what you are left with? Okay, 5x gone. So x still on top. What is still on top? 7y. 7y on top. So what is below? Gone. 5. That's it. So I x squared, 7 put in front, y over 5. That's why you are wrong. Can't you see that there is Y and Y here?
Yeah.
Then why you stop? Why you stop? Huh? Why you stop?
Uh,
And by the way, can't you see that there is a Y here, then there is a Y here? Can't you see? You should continue. We are not talking about rocket science. Hello?
yeah.
Okay, next time what you should do is, okay, let me just do it one more time. You don't yeah. If you tell me yeah, then you should get this right, not like now. Wrong. Okay, I'm happy that you get into this step, splitting of element. So look at how I do it. You don't do it your way, yeah? So you split the element. Okay, so tell me, how many y you see below? 1, 2, 3, right? 3 of them, right?
Yes.
How many? So if you see 3y here, how many y you see on top?
4.
4, right? So you know what I will do? Instead of one by one, if I tell myself here's 3 of them, right? I cancel 3 of them. Of course, I use a different color because it's going to help me see it clearly. So I'm going to use a different color. 3 of them, right? So I will
Yeah.
cancel 3 of them together. Instead of one by one. Understand?
Okay.
You understand or not? If you see 3 of them together, just cancel 3 of them together. And then I see 5x. Can you see 5x? I also see 5x here. So instead of one by one, I cancel together. Can you see the 7 here? 7 gone. Okay? So it's very clear cut. I have x squared and 7y on top. So it's 7x squared y on top. And what is left below? 5. That's how I get the answer. And by the way, if you end up with this answer, can't you see that there is a y here, there is a y here? You should continue. Can you see that you should continue?
Yeah.
Can you see that there's 2y here? Get rid of it. Okay? If you cannot see it, then too bad. Then you're left with 7y x squared. So 7y x squared 5. Okay? Done?
Yeah.
Okay, good. This one is a giveaway, this question. Yes, get it into all square first. Very good. Then this one, get it into this. Let me see. Very good. Then cancel. Very good. Okay, next. 为什么你 question mark 这题 We talked about this already. I'll give you the same question again. 12. 你 question mark for what?
This one is the.
This is not a speed question. This is a proportionality question. Or did you see this question? I remember you question mark this question. You question mark this question during our last lesson. Can you open your eyes? What question is this?
Proportionality.
Then? You have not learned proportionality, have you?
Yeah.
Then you question mark for what? What is the procedure? What are the steps? What are the steps?
You write down the V.
Are you ready to write down? Are you ready to write down these steps? And do this question now. Are you ready? Okay. Tomorrow, if you see a proportionality question, you better do it proportionality, okay? You don't look at, oh, they are talking about speed. Oh, they are talking about radius. I have not learned. No, you have learned it. This is a directly proportional question. By the way, you are supposed to, where is your cursor? Can you do it here? This area? Yeah. Can you choose a more skinny line? Your stroke is too large. So tomorrow, if you see proportional question, you better do it. Okay, you don't question mark everything. You have learned it and you don't know how to do it, it's your problem. Lazy brain. Wait. You read the question properly first. Did you write your statement correctly or not? Did you? Never mind. You highlight what you need to. Okay, you tell me. You highlight the question. What you need to write. 重来. You highlight the question first. What you need to write down as a statement. You don't do nonsense, okay? You highlight the question now. What you need to pick up and write down as a statement. Okay, good. Then you better write down this statement. You don't try to be funny, okay? And you don't give me shortcut. I don't need shortcut from you. You do shortcut, your score will be shortcut also. Now your statement is correct. You 写好来，你这个 R is a R or C. Your R, you need to give it a R. Clearly, okay? Not like this. I mean, you give it something here. Not this. Okay? Continue. Shermaine Teo, can you repeat the statement to me?
Square root of R.
Okay. You stop. Stop. If I were to use a highlighter, I'm going to highlight my V, I'm going to highlight my square root R. And then I will change my V with my Y, I will change my X with my square root R. Matching. Can you still remember matching or not?
Yeah.
Yeah. You don't yeah and get it wrong. Yeah. Continue. You don't yeah and get it wrong. By the way, you are supposed to finish this question. Huh? Not question mark it. We did this question last week. And we went through it. And this last week you question mark it. And this week you question mark it. It shows that you have never put in effort at all. Did you ever listen last week? And by the way, you are getting this square root. You better know what to do now. Whether you need to square or you don't need to square. Do you need to square or not?
Yes.
When you need to square?
No, I meant no.
Okay. Why no? Wait, why no?
Because you can use calculator.
Okay. You better wake up, okay? Tomorrow is your test. You better wake up. Quickly finish it. 3 marks. Don't waste time. Do you need to square or not?
No.
Okay. Why no?
Because they use calculator.
Very good. Tomorrow when you read the question, you don't assume that, hey, I have never learned this. I don't need to do. Are you clear? You better read the question. It can be direct proportional. It can be indirect proportional. Are you clear? Good. Are you doing B now?
Yeah.
Good. Do you need to square?
Yes.
Okay. Why you need to square in this case?
Because you cannot use calculator for the R.
Yeah, you cannot. Yeah, so you need to square both sides. Wait, you're 14 or 44? You 14 or 14 square?
14 square.
Okay. So what's the answer? What's the answer? You sure or not? Okay, good. So R equals to this. Okay, done. So tomorrow you better know how to do this question. Alright? Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay, good. Next. Okay, let's go to part 3 first. Okay, page 3. Maybe it take a while for it to load on your side. Okay, just wait for it first. So in the meantime, just erase everything first. How come this they keep switching this? Can you hear me?
Yeah.
Okay, good. Okay, good. So Now we can do it on the left hand side. Yeah. Okay, solve. Okay, let me see. 你为什么又做 half 又没有做了？ You're waiting for who to finish this for you? Huh? You wait for who to finish this for you? Huh? What are you waiting for now? Still don't want to do now?
I do the question.
Oh, okay. It take time to load. Okay. Page 3. Can you see page 3 already?
Yeah.
Okay, good. You sure this is the one or not? Never mind, you continue first. Wait. The question should... Wait. It should be homework 28 leh, right? Are you... Okay. Did you do homework 28 or homework 27?
I haven't do finish 28.
Oh, you haven't done 28? Do you know that you are supposed to finish 28 during our lesson today? Okay, so what have you finished? You just let me know what have you finished. I go to your drive. I don't see...
I save the thing first.
Huh? Did you upload or not?
No, because I was doing it.
Halfway is it or what?
Yeah.
Can you upload? Can you upload now? No, upload to the drive. Upload here, right now. Can you see that there is a upload symbol? Can you move your cursor to the upload symbol? Here. Can you see my cursor? Is here. Can you move your cursor to the upload? Then you can straight away upload here, right away, right now. Or you don't know how to upload. Okay, never mind, you don't know how to upload. Okay, you upload to your drive. I have you upload. You upload to your drive now. But anyway, 28 and 27, they are very similar. When you finish uploading, you let me know. You have Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. How come still cannot finish 3 days?
I Wednesday got CCA. Then
What CCA you have?
board games.
What's that?
Like board games club.
Oh, okay, board games. Okay. You finish uploading?
Yeah.
Okay, good. Let me download. Okay, I'm gonna upload it here. I'm gonna delete this. Uploading. Okay, good. Let's look at this together. Okay, I choose read. Okay, you move it over. Okay, this is good. Okay, then for this one is 14, 14, 14. Okay, good. Yep, there is a minus. Okay, yep, you have to get a minus sign here. Good. Then question 5. Where you do question 5?
Yeah, I was gonna get back to that later.
Some more?
Because I do the other question first before.
Never mind. I know. The rest of the question looks very good to me. So this is good. Then 这个 also good. 这个 also good. Yeah, then this one looks good. So the only problem is, what's the problem? The only problem is this question 5. How do you do question 5? We talked about this last time. You know how to read the question or not?
Yeah.
How?
Like 8 students.
So you write down 8 students, and then?
Example,
And then what? 76
26
what? Toys? 2 hours.
2 hours.
You write it in this manner. And now they ask how many toy cars. So it's question mark toys. 10. 10 students.
And then 2 hours.
In 2 hours. So how you do this question? Can you see that they have the same time?
Yeah.
And then what you need to do next? Same time, but the number is proportionality.
Yeah.
What's the fraction here? Or what's the factor?
Five over 4.
Can you give me a decimal number? So it's times. So it's always
1.25.
So it's always times, not minus, not plus. So if the student number times this, so do you think the toy also times or divide?
Times.
So okay, you have more student to do. Do you think you have more toys or less toy?
More toys.
How do you get more? Times or divide? Huh? Times. So times what? Oh, here, sorry. Times what?
Times 1.25.
Correct. So what's the answer?
Ne 95.
Okay. You better know how to do this kind of question. Okay? So very easy. Same time, if the student increase by this factor, then the toy will also increase by this factor. Are you clear?
Yeah.
If the student decrease, divide by this factor, your toy will also divide. Okay? Understand?
Yeah.
More student, more output. Less student, less output. Does it make sense?
Yes.
More student, more work more work done right? Less
Yeah.
student, less work done. So that's why times, divide. Okay? Okay, next page. How many pages? Oh, 6 pages. Wow, so many. Okay, so I click on the tool already. So does it reflect on your side already too? Okay, I want to look at 11 because 11 is the question that I want to talk about. And we talk about it. Okay, so this is this is the statement, and this is the statement. So you have 4, and then you have 14. So don't move your cursor. So K is 8 over 7. Good. Then can you stop moving your cursor now? Okay, this is good. Then this one, 26. Okay, very good. Then okay, how do you do C? It says Q decreased by 75%. So where's your Q decreased by 75%? So the final is 25%, right? 是吗?
Yeah.
So it's from 4 is 1, right? So you put a
Yeah.
1 into it, you get 8 over 7. Yeah, 7 over 8, correct? And then 7 over 8, final minus initial divided by initial. Very good. 本来是多少？本来是 14. Very good. Correct. You better know how to do this tomorrow. Okay? Can or cannot?
Yeah.
So actually your answer, okay, your answer is minus 你的 percentage 哪里 you use your calculator to do this, but your percentage, this minus the 93.75% the answer. But if they ask you the percentage decrease, do you need to put the minus sign in the answer? Let's say I give you answer. What's the answer for this percentage decrease?
Negative.
They already say percentage decrease. Do you need to put the negative or not?
No.
不用啊, it's
93.75
93.75 with the percentage or no percentage?
with the percentage.
Correct. Because the decrease already indicate the minus. Clear? Okay?
Yeah.
Okay, good. So, first question, exterior angle of the regulator is 24. Find the number of sides. Correct. 360 divided by exterior. This is the formula. So it's 15. So interior angle of the hexagon total is 这个. So you use this plus all together. Very good. Okay?
Yeah.
So expand and simplify. 诶，你这题在哪里做 Where's your 1A?
Sure, I haven't do.
Oh, no time. Never mind. Let me see if you have finished your this page 3 or not. 哇，没有做你没有做 then do you think you should score tomorrow or not? I think you fail tomorrow already. So many you never do. Okay, never mind. Go to page 5.
I.
Are you at page 5?
Wait, I need.
It's refreshing on your side.
Okay,
No.
I'm at page 5.
Are you at page 5? Can you see 8C? Can you do this first?
Okay.
Okay, hold on. Let me move this up a bit. So we just need to focus on 8C, right? Okay, good. So you have plenty of space. Wait. I already show you what should be your how you should present already. You should present like all. Okay, all the way. You still have time to go for your CCA, huh? You Friday is your exam already. You still have time for CCA.
No, the CCA compulsory.
You go there, can you do your work or not?
Cannot.
Oh, okay. For me, I will skip. I will tell the teacher. Says, hey, teacher, I have exam. I come back next time. Oh. They want minus 17x. Do you know? Okay. Why you need to change? Why you need to change? Why you need to change?
I don't know, I testing.
Oh. This one give you what?
Wait.
This one give you what? Hello, this one give you what?
15. 17x.
Okay, the question 1 minus. How? Very
You
close.
need to put minus sign.
Put where? Correct. Continue. So this one done. Yep, you can use this. You sure or not?
I need to square
This one.
Oh.
You know how to use the HCF method, or you don't know, you don't anyhow do, okay? Correct, square everything. This one done. So probably you can do it like this. Then now you are going to do this one. Yeah, you can do it here. That's how you arrange. Wait, stop using this splitting element already. Use the HCF. Okay, done. You better give yourself some space, or you better just use a line. Otherwise, you get confused because you mix the two up. Or you give yourself some space before you write the next one, okay? Okay, done. Okay, good. Replace them all. And then cancellation. Wait, do it here. So it should be top down, okay? Hmm. 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 Mm. I think you can split the 6. You split the 6 into 5. This is 5. You see, you write it like a 6 to me. You better rewrite your 5 clearly. Okay. Can you see that you have, okay. So, hold on. You can use technology, erase. Hold on. Don't move. Can you move your cursor away? Can you move your cursor away, please? Good, thank you. Can you see that you have the 2? Can you see that you have the 2x minus 5 here? And you have the 5 minus 2x. You remember that their position is front and back different, right? So what you can do to your 5 minus 2x here? Huh?
Switch it around.
Yeah, if you switch it around, what you need to do? So now I switch them around.
You put the minus sign.
Correct.
In front.
So in front there is a 2 here, right? Can you see? So your minus sign you need to put in front of the minus. I mean, the minus sign you need to put in front of the 2. Right?
Yeah.
Okay, good. So that means this whole thing this whole thing is replaced by this thing already. Can you see once you have switch it around by putting the minus sign in front of the 2, and then you can actually cancel the 2x minus 5 now. Can you see?
Yeah.
So the entire thing now is very neat. It's 5 over negative 4. And can you use your calculator? Gone. Gone. Can you use your calculator? Negative?
5. Negative 5 over 4.
Huh?
Or like negative 1.25.
Okay, good. Okay, we take a 5-minute break, then we come back.
Okay.
Okay, good. See you later.